In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Trello with Google Calendar. This is a super handy trick to get all your tasks organized and visible right within your calendar, and it only takes a couple of minutes to set up. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by enabling the calendar power-up in Trello. Go ahead and open the Trello board you want to sync. Once you have it open, look over to the board menu on the right-hand side. You'll see an option called Power-Ups. Click on it. This will open a new window where you can browse through different power-ups available on Trello. Here we're going to search for calendar. Once you find it, click on the add button. This simple step integrates a calendar view into your Trello board. After you've added it, you should be able to see calendar in your board menu. Go ahead and click on it. This allows you to now view your Trello cards organized by their due date directly in this new calendar view within Trello. Now that we've set up the calendar power-up, it's time to grab the iCal feed from Trello. Still in the calendar view, you'll want to look for a gear icon which represents settings. Click on that. In the settings menu, you should see an option to enable sync. Once you click that, you'll be presented with an iCal feed URL. This is the magic link that will connect your Trello to Google Calendar. Remember to copy this URL. The next step is to bring this over to Google Calendar. Go ahead and open Google Calendar either on your browser or app. On the left side, you'll see a section titled Other Calendars. Just next to that, there's a little plus sign. Click it, and you'll see an option to select from URL. Click on from URL, and a new window will pop up. This is where you're going to paste the iCal URL that you copied from Trello. Simply paste it in there and hit the Add Calendar button and you're all set. With that, you're done. Your Trello cards that have due dates will now appear in your Google Calendar. Moving forward, any updates you make in Trello regarding due dates should automatically sync and reflect in Google Calendar. It's important to note that this is a one-way sync, meaning changes from Trello will display in Google Calendar but not vice versa. This means any adjustments in the calendar should be made directly in Trello, and just like that, in a few simple steps, you've integrated Trello with Google Calendar, streamlining your task management process significantly. Happy organizing, and thanks for watching.